like why you're lying, like stuff like that. Why are you lying? If they say the truth that we don't owe them. Okay, well, let's say hi.
I like that song. No, I like.
What happens if they're rich?
And if they say the truth,
I have 30,000 so sad.
and if they say the truth that we don't owe them 100K, we're gonna give them $100 because I'm not that rich, so we're not gonna give.
Bro, it's legit 3 a.m. on the clock on this game. It's 3 a.m. The devil's coming.
Okay.
No, the devil's
Well,
not
I'm gonna tell
coming.
Lulu what we started, so
Roblox, the hackers are.
I'm gonna do the first one.
Oh,
So I'm gonna do the first person.
this girl sent me a guest.
Hold on, so we're gonna go to this girl's house. Let's see somebody's house that's not in build mode because half of the people are in build mode.
Bro,
Is there like
be in this game. Oh, save the turtles.
what?
Oh, shoot,
Save the turtle.
Fluffy,
No, he's playing. I'm not gonna say the name because that's copyright.
Fluffy, are you home? Fluffy, are you home? Hide the freaking Jeep.
Oh,
Hide the Jeep. This is my house.
he said a bad word. Did he notice?
I know. Hold on, let's go to this Queen Yayla, my house. Let's go to this girl's house. Her name is.
Okay, that's high risk. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so we just found our first victim.
What
It's-
the fuck, that
Her name is Queen.
Queen.
Okay, Queen Jayla May.
And she's at home.
Oh, there's two people in the house. Okay, I'm gonna do the first one.
No.
We're gonna do the first person.
No, I wanna do this.
Oh, that's the girl. Hold on. Hello? No, it's one at a time. It's one at a time. Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Do I owe you 100K? Do I owe you 100K?
Wait, how do you spell low? Oh, okay, I know how to spell low now.
She said yes. She said yes. She said me. Because I gave you 100K and cause you gave
Am I hungry
me
or
and
what?
I'ma give it.
Am I
back.
hungry or what? Or am I stinky?
You're both. Because you gave me the money and I'm gonna give it back now. So was it you that gave me the money so I can give it back? So was it you? Okay.
There's more.
Okay, but before I
Oh,
gave
down,
you, but before I gave you the money, okay. Okay, but before I give you the money, why are you lying? Why? I don't want to say the song. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Hello.
Oh, I'm reading everything.
Sure, okay. Okay, I'm gonna say you're on YouTube. Okay, Simon and Alex, come out over there.
Boy.
You're on YouTube. I don't know what the heck you're talking about. Okay, let me just say you're on the channel Candy Wars. You wanna say that? You're on the channel Candy Wars. Guys, run, get in the Jeep, get in the Jeep. Get in the Jeep, guys. Simon and Alex, get in the Jeep. Let's go. No! Get out from the front seat. Let me go. Alex, no! Alex!
Well, Luo said let's go.
Stop. Stop.
Simon, get
Mark.
in. Simon, get in.
Help me.
Simon, get in.
Park the car. Park the car. Guys, get in. Okay, get
Oh.
in. Oops. Simon's call ended.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're calling him. Simon, get in. Simon, get in the car.
Wait.
Guys, I feel like we're only gonna do like 2 people. Go get Simon. Okay, guys, we'll be back when we have this situation. Okay, so the next. Hold on. No, that's the same girl.
Oh.
Okay, so the next.
Oh, this one.
No, that's my house. Okay, so the next prank. Yeah, that's my house. So the next prank is going to be that we're gonna like pretend to give them $1 million, and we're gonna give them $1. Can I drive?
No.
No, Alex, stop. Can I drive? I need to drive. We need to go. You're going the wrong way.
I know.
Let me drive.
I'm taking a shortcut.
Let me drive.
No. Take these.
They try to be honest. I feel like the evilest person in the world.
Wait. Let me see if you walk the walk.
Hold on. Yes. We feel so evil. Can you go to the... Okay, guys, we'll come back when we found the next victim. By the way, Alex got disconnected. I mean, not Alex. Simon got disconnected. So he won't be in the video. So...
I don't know why is he not calling.
Yeah. So... Okay, so guys, we'll be back when we found our next victim. Our next victim! Hi, you. Hey, you.
Oh, that's the house. There's the house.
Okay, so I'm gonna say hi.
Wait, I want to be the next victim.
Okay, I'm a private chat them. Do you want, oh yeah. Waluo is gonna do this one. Waluo is gonna do this one. Can we ask you something? Yes. Sure. Like, great. Yes, ask. Okay, she said, what did I say? Do you want a meal? When you're done, leave quick. When you're done, leave quick. This is... Oh, we're not gonna... She did it different. When you're done, leave quick. We're gonna leave like so quick. I'm gonna be like... Can you do that? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Do you want a meal? Do you want $1 million? I'm so weak. Okay. Oh my god, I feel so bad. Cooper, Jan, I'm gonna give you 1,000. I feel so bad.
No, Mariana.
I'll give her 10.
Leave the game. Leave the game. Leave the game. Leave the.
Hey. I'm laughing so hard. I was gonna give her 1,000, but Alex like, don't give her 1,000. And I'm like, please. I don't like being mean. I always like try to do that, and I'm like, I give them 1,000 at the end.
What the?
She's still in the freaking game. Well, Luo, get out of the game. Right. See, Alex left the game. Well, we'll come back when Luo gets out of the game. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell or the notification so you won't miss any of our videos. Today there will be a part 2 coming down in like a little bit because I gotta do another video with Adopt Me honesty test. Go check that video out. Lulu was saying bye. I'm just gonna say thanks for watching, etc.
I'm really doing a YouTube video
So-
right now.
So yeah. So thanks for watching. See y'all later, guys. Bye.
And don't
Bye.
forget,
Yes, bye.
to like and subscribe to Icy Ice Gaming.
Yes, sub to me. So yeah. So yeah. Bye.